Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the Essential service so your iPhone can share internet. Open Settings and go straight to Cellular to confirm your plan and data are active. Once done, tap Personal Hotspot. Toggle the hotspot on and take note of the Wi-Fi password shown. You will need it for other devices. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled for pairing options, and keep the phone unlocked while connecting devices so the hotspot remains discoverable. Now you connect another device to the hotspot and verify traffic flows. On the other device, choose your iPhone's network name in the Wi-Fi list and enter the password you noted. Once connected, enable auto join to simplify next time. If Wi-Fi is unreliable, pair via Bluetooth or connect with a Lightning to USB cable for a direct link that bypasses wireless interference. While connected, monitor the Wi-Fi icon and cellular signal on the iPhone to judge connection quality and speed. Finish by confirming the hotspot actually shares internet and fixing common failures. You should load a web page or run a quick speed test from the connected device. If pages fail, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then reconnect devices or restart your iPhone to clear transient issues. If problems persist, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset to re-establish defaults. Remember this clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.